7 principles of testing, a detailed view. In the previous video, we looked at the 4th principle of testing, and in this, we discuss what it is. Today, we are going to be looking at the 5th principle of testing. But before that, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell in order to get the latest updates of videos each time a new one is dropped. So, what is the 5th principle of testing? The 5th principle of testing says test wear out. What does test wear out means? You tested a software 5 times using the same set of test cases. Now, the more you use these test cases, then the less defects they will find. So it means that the more you make use of a particular test case or a set of test cases to find a bug or to test a software system, the less effective they become over time. It is more like using a particular drug or insecticide for some insect in your house or in the farm, or using a particular drug for your health. At a point in time, it becomes less effective. So the more bugs that are being discovered in the software system by these test cases or a particular test techniques that you are using, the more you make use of this, it will get to a point that its potency will reduce because it would have discovered a lot of bugs and these bugs would have been resolved. And so the more bugs it discover and the more these bugs are resolved, the less bugs it starts to discover over time. So what next? You keep applying the same test techniques for your test design and analysis. It will no longer find new defects over time. So you have the same test techniques. Say you are using boundary value analysis, and this boundary value analysis is what you use in your test analysis and test design, and you keep repeating these same test techniques, boundary value analysis, or you are doing exploratory testing and you keep exploring the system over and over again, right? Over time, it will no longer find a new defect. So to find new defects, you need to change your test techniques or review your test cases. So in order to get new defects, what you have to do is to change your test techniques. And if you are not changing your test techniques, you may want to rewrite your test cases or generate new test cases in order to use it for the system execution, the test execution, right? So like this, you will be able to discover new bugs. Though executing same test cases help in automation, especially in the regression test cases scenario. Now, repeating test cases is fine. That is more appropriate when you are doing regression testing. Regression testing is testing what has been tested before, right, due to changes that have been made to the software system. So because changes have been made to a particular defect or bug, you may need to retest the software system, and so the same set of test cases will be needed in testing those functionalities again. So that will be all for this video. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share to keep getting the latest updates each time a new video is dropped. Thank you.